Hello VR students, it's that time of the semester where we're having to shut down and get your displays reset and bring them back into the lab. An important part of that is doing a factory reset before you pack up your display and bring it back to me. To do this, what you'll need to do is have your display turned on. So check inside your display right now, make sure it's turned on, and make sure it's sitting at your waiting room. Then on your phone, the one that you paired with your headset, open up your Oculus app. When you open that up, you'll have something that looks kind of like this. Now at the bottom you'll see there is something that says devices. Touch that and it will probably just list the only Quest you have. I've got two here at my house, so I've got a Quest 1 and the Quest 2, so I'm going to switch this to my Quest 2. And it will connect to it over Bluetooth. Awesome. Okay, so once you've connected to your headset, then you can go to Advanced Settings. And in Advanced Settings, you have this option here that says Factory Reset. You're going to want to touch that, and it's going to ask you, are you sure? Because this will remove your account information, all downloaded games, and content from your headset. The important thing to keep in mind is that even though it removes it from the headset, that content is still attached to your Oculus account. So if you do decide to get an Oculus headset of your own, those games, if you bought any games or any content, are still bound to your account. So you can install them without having to buy them again, as long as you log in with your present Oculus account. Okay, so now we touch reset, and there it is. I just heard the ding dong in my Quest of it restarting, and that's it. You're done. I'm going to send you also some instructions for cleaning your headset. Please follow those. Be sure to remove the batteries from your controllers. So before you package your headset up, open your controllers up and take the batteries out. Do not put them back in the box. Those batteries, what charge is left in them is a gift for you. Because if we leave them in the box, chances are they'll end up corroding and leaking, and it's just going to be a big, nasty mess. So remove the batteries from the headset before packaging it up. Alright, folks, if you have any problems or any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you all in cyberspace.